Hit it. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful and amazing day. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to make some nail rings. Okay? Yes, some nail rings. Now, I was sitting at my table the other day, just fooling around, and I was like, this is really cute. I'm like, So this, y'all, this is just something totally outside of the box. Something that I decided to come up with. And I'm using these pop gems right here. I purchased these from Joann's Fabrics. Okay. And of course you get hearts. You get a lot of different little shapes in here. About 4 or 5 different shapes. And I do want to say something to you all. Whenever I use stuff like this, I do not use Gorilla Glue or E6000 glue. And I'm going to tell you why. This is from my experience. I'm only speaking from my experience, okay? Whenever I use any type of glue like this on these type of rhinestone gems or whatever you want to call it that have this foil in the back of it, because that's all it is. It's just foil back here. It eats it. When you put it on something, you use this and you glue it, and it eats it. And it doesn't give you that shine, that look, you know, like it would normally give you when I use this. So I don't use this. I use my glue gun. That's what I'm using today. So I just wanted to put that out there. I'm also using some 12 gauge aluminum wire that I have cut in sections of 7 inches. So I have 7 inches of 12 gauge aluminum wire. This is the wire that I purchased from Amazon.com. 12 millimeters, 39 feet, okay? And I cut myself 5 pieces because we're going to be making nail rings, all right? So basically, y'all, I thought that this was something fun. Y'all know every now and then I just step outside the box and I do something random. So I'm going to take my round nose pliers, because of course you're going to need your pliers. You're going to need your wire cutters, and these are my flat nose. And you're probably going to need a dowel. You see these dowels sitting right here. I haven't decided on which one I'm going to use, but you will need a dowel. So I'm going to take and come down the bottom here, and I'm going to roll this, make a loop. That's my loop. And then I'm going to take my flat nose pliers, and I am going to make 2 more loops. So you're going to need 3 loops all together. And most of the time I try to do this with my hand. When I start this, I normally roll it with my hand, but all right. Is it 3 loops or 4? So now, since I got it right about there, I'm just gonna roll it and I'm trying to make it as tight as I can make it. Okay. That's what you're going to have. It's been rolled 3 times. I always start in the middle and count out. So that's 1 hole, 2, and 3. So now I'm going to hit it with some of this glue. Just like that. And I'm going to start off with my heart. And you got to kind of move a little quickly to get it on there. You squeeze it down. Just like that. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, I have all 4 of my nail rings done. I put them up here so I can just grab them, and I'm gonna go ahead and glue these on. Just like that. Okay. Okay, that's 3. And I'm down to the very last one. And this is number 4. All right. Okay, y'all, so there we have it. So we got all of them on. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my dowel. I'm going to use this dowel here. This is a 1/2 of an inch. And I'm going to take them and just put them on here like this and wrap it around. Now, more than likely, I'll probably have to make it smaller because it's going to be on the tip of my finger like that. And then with this part, I'm going to pinch it this way and then take my pliers and just give it a different design. Like that. And put it on like this. Now, my advice to you when you're doing these, and that's what you're gonna have. All right. And you can, be careful on how tight you make it because you do want it to be comfortable on your finger. And I'm gonna just do this with my hand instead of using the dowel to do that. And just adjust it to my finger. And I'm gonna bring this up and then make a loop. I thought that this would be like a nice little add-on for those of you who are out there doing, and you make jewelry and you're doing some shows, and this could just be something that you add to your, to whatever you're doing, to whatever you are making, whatever show that you're in or at or going to. I thought that this would just be really, really cute. You can take these and put them inside of a bag. They could be a part of whatever you want them to be a part of. They're different. They're cute. And of course, somebody who likes stuff like this will buy it. And I wouldn't try to sell these for a lot of money, maybe $2 or $3 a piece, or maybe $1 a piece, or maybe do 5 for $6 or something like that. I just thought that this would just be a excellent add-on. And you can do it, like I said, on every finger. You just gotta make sure you make your adjustments. Okay. And now we're gonna do the thumb. The thumb is gonna be bigger, so I'm gonna actually use this for the thumb because the thumb is bigger. Yep, see, it's bigger. And then I'm gonna take and make alrighty. Now another thing too, there you have it. Another thing that you can do too when you're making and creating these, if you want to, you can make it longer. Like this, for instance, right here. You can come down a little bit more, just like that. And that's on the thumb. And what I mean when I said bring the wire down, you can make it longer. So instead of it being 7 inches, cut it a little longer if you want them to be a little longer. But these, here it is. And they're simple and easy to make. And like I said, yeah, y'all. So with that being said, don't forget to thumbs up this video, like, and share it out to your platforms. And I want to say thank y'all so much for watching. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. Happy crafting. See ya.